I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna, you ain't gonna, you ain't gonna outrun me. When I was younger, my mama said, gotta make your green and you'll be seeing red. 'Cause if you ain't got none, well, nobody gon' come for you. She would tell me tales that would leave me scared, so I made sure to get it through my head. I'm either gonna run this town or walk.
So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. We're down here at the Woodyard this morning, and it is a glorious day. Nice and cool. Perfect day to saw some lumber, load up some firewood. We're going to use the split force here. Levi's going to run this, but we're not splitting any wood. We're just going to use the conveyor to load the dump trailer. It'll be a little bit quicker than just throwing it in. I could use the firewood bucket. However, we haven't cleaned out the wood bunker in a while, and there is a lot of debris in there. And even with the firewood bucket, we wouldn't get it out. So it won't take him long at all. He'll just throw it in the hopper. As the front of the trailer fills up, he'll back up a little bit, probably 20 minutes. We'll have a full cord of wood in there. While Levi is working on that, I'm going to fire up the sawmill and saw some more of this red pine for down at the cabin. I got a couple here. They're not real big, but they'll make nice lumber for the walls in there. These are probably, I don't know, that one's about 13 inches. That one's probably 11. I actually like the smaller ones for what I'm doing. But anyway, we're going to fire up the mill and get started. right, so we have had a pretty productive morning so far. Levi got the dump trailer loaded up. I'm going to deliver this later on today. Nice mix of cherry, maple, a little bit of red oak. And we sawed a couple red pine logs. We've got 2 done. And I just brought a big one over. We should get quite a bit of lumber out of this one here. I still have probably 4,000 feet of this to saw. I don't even know. I need to get through it though, because pine doesn't last as long. Like the red oak over there, the walnut, that's not hurting anything, which is why I did something I said I wasn't going to do. I talked to Bill from Adler and Sons, and they're into some red oak right now, not far from here. And so I'm going to get another load of logs. I got wood everywhere, but I just can't pass it up when it's close, you know? So this load that's coming will be a mix, about half firewood poles and the other half will be saw logs. And I think what I'm going to do with that, we'll put it over there in front of that walnut. That's why I moved a couple things out of the way with the mini skid. But we've got enough room, and I just don't think you can have too much wood in the yard. I don't. You always have something to do. It's like money in the bank. So why not? I also have some big news to share that I'm pretty excited about. I got a call from the trucking company, and my kiln is on its way. It's going to be here in the next day or two. Now, they were going to deliver it with a tractor trailer, and I told them just to hold on to it, and I'll come pick it up on one of my trailers. We can get straight trucks in here. Tractor trailers, I can't get them up here by the house or down to the Woodyard very easily, and I don't really want to unload on the road. So I told them just hold on to it. I'm supposed to call them the day after tomorrow. If it arrived, I will hook up to my trailer and go pick it up. And I think I found a shipping container that will work perfectly for a kiln. I needed one with side entry doors, and I haven't made the deal yet, but I think I'm pretty close on it. If I can't get that, we will build a little building. Nothing extravagant. It's going to be like 8 by 20, and that will be the chamber. And then the kiln that I got just kind of bolts up to the side. So we should have that up and running. It won't take too long. Yeah, it won't take too long to be up and running where we can be drying lumber. I'm pretty excited about that. It's that has been the missing link for the longest time. And I'll be able to dry both lumber, and if it's available, I can even dry firewood as well. I have a few people, businesses in the area that want to sell our firewood bundles, and if you're just doing it locally, you don't have to kiln dry it, but I would be better off if I kiln dried it. You know, we'll let it air dry for a while in the baskets, and then we'll put it in the kiln to make sure we kill any bugs, and heat treat it. Kiln dried bundle wood coming soon. All right, Bill just arrived. Bill just left. Nice load of red oak right there. A lot of good firewood in there, and also some good saw logs. Nothing real big in here, which that's fine. These are all easy to handle. But like this stuff right here, that's just great for making firewood out of. Really nice stuff. And red oak is, without a doubt, my favorite firewood. I just like the way it splits. The only downside is it takes a long time to dry, but it burns good and hot. Very minimal ash. I just love red oak. I do. That is making some boards in a hurry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 2. I got 22 1x6s and 2 2x6s on the bottom. Nice stuff. So right now I'm going to head up to the house, get a bite to eat for lunch, and then I need to run out for a little bit. Then we'll come back, hook up to the dump trailer, and make that firewood delivery later on today. All right, got the dump trailer all hooked up. Gonna double check everything. I'd say we are good to go. I got the firewood delivered, and what a beautiful place they had. They've got about 14 or 15 acres there. Beautiful house. Really nice area here. I have never been back this road, and it's only about maybe a half hour from home, but I've never been back here, but it's real pretty. That is actually a new customer. He watches our channel, which is how we connected, so that's good. But anyway, I'm going to head back to the house right now, and we'll see what we get into.